Meaning of dry clean.
Dry clean.
Dry clean.
Dry clean.
Dry clean. Dry clean refers to a process of cleaning clothes or fabrics using non-water-based solvents. The solvent is used to dissolve dirt and stains without damaging the fabric, and then the solvent is drained away, leaving the clothes clean and dry. This method is ideal for delicate fabrics that may shrink or lose their shape in the washing machine. Dry cleaning can remove oil-based stains that are difficult to remove with water-based cleaning methods. After dry cleaning, the clothes will have a fresh and clean appearance, with no water spots or wrinkles.